Hi, my name is Chine Kemjika. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about and creating together a vision board. Now, I absolutely love vision boards because they are a daily visual reminder of your dreams and your goals. So there's a power in actually writing down your visions and your goals. And one of my favorite scriptures is write the vision and make it plain, because when you see your goal on a daily basis, when you see your vision on a daily basis, it's a reminder to you, and you're going to take it, you're going to run with it, and you're more likely to achieve. So the first thing that I would say do is set the scene. Create a space where you are relaxed, put on your favorite music, I don't know, sit in your favorite room. For me, I'm in my living room, I have my little fairy lights on, and I know we're in the middle of winter at the moment, but I love the sound of the ocean and I love the look of crystal clear blue waters and white sand. So I've actually got an ocean video playing on YouTube, and I've got a glass of orange juice, sparkling orange juice. I've got a candle on, and I'm just feeling really relaxed. So do what it takes to make yourself really comfortable and get yourself in the zone. So once you've got yourself comfortable, the second thing that you want to do is you want to actually put pen to paper or take out your phone or your laptop, and you want to actually write down what those goals are. So if you're someone like me, you've probably got your head buzzing with ideas and goals and aspiration. But if you are stuck for what to write, I would say have a look at these easy categories, or simple categories rather, and look at these areas and think, okay, is there anything that I would like to develop in these areas? And the areas are career, business, finances, relationships, family, your health, social life, self-development. Look at those areas. Are you meeting your goals in those areas? And if not, what would you like to change and what would you like to develop in those areas? So now you have written down the areas that you want to develop. What I would say that you need to do next is take those areas and make them relatable and realistic. And what I mean by that is, for example, if your car is old right now and you would hope to replace your car with a brand new car, what I would do is I would say, I would like a new car, and then I would change that one step further and say, I have a new car. And I would get a picture of the car that I want. I go on Pintrest or I use Google, and I would print it out, and also with the sentence, I have a new car, and then I would save that to the side, because that's going to be one of the goals that you stick on your vision board. So I'm going to show you a few words and a few pictures as examples, but I want you to get a full idea of how to do this so you can do it well, and you have more of a chance of your dreams coming true. So here is a sample of some of the words and pictures that I have created for this vision board. Now, I use the app called Pintrest to print out my pictures, and I also use an app called WordSwag, which is really great for writing out specific words. So you can see I have a mixture of general words and specific words. So here is Chine has helped 100 people start a profitable Juice Plus business. That is a business that I'm part of. I've also put general words like first class, travel, And then, you know, Chine has helped 100 people through coaching. As you know, I'm studying to be a coach. Chine has provided value to 50,000 subscribers, you know, so I'm looking to increase my subscriber count as well. So be really specific with what you want. This is a rose gold grid panel that I got from Amazon, and what we're going to do is we're going to take our little cutouts and we're going to stick them onto this to form our vision board. Now the panel comes with lots of little clips, and I ordered some additional ones because I have quite a few pictures that I want to stick to the vision board. So here we have the final product. Now I've actually chosen to mount this on the wall just above my desk in my office, and it's a daily reminder of just a sample of some of the goals and aspirations I have for 2021. Now I'm going to go in and fill in the rest. I have a whole heap of other dreams and aspirations that I want to add to my vision board, but I just wanted to show you a snippet of some of the things that I want for 2021. And this is in the daytime. I actually have this clip in the evening, and what I've done is I've put fairy lights around the vision board as well, so when you turn off the lights, your dreams and aspirations are still there, glowing in all their glory, so you will not forget them. So yeah, so there you have it. I think it's so pretty and beautiful, and you can change the flashes as well. I think that's a bit extra there, but so hopefully I have given you some inspiration on how you can create your own vision board that looks classy, that is aesthetically pleasing, and that is something that would push you to achieving your hopes, your goals, and your dreams. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content that I'm offering, please do subscribe. I would love to see you back again, and I would love to produce more content for you. So take care and God bless.